Okay, this is the Haas. This is the advanced tool management. We have 43 different types of tools. It's a tool group, and we can define the not distance, Brad. Only cutting time, not distance. I think maybe we can change it to distance, but whatever. It's got some way to have duplicate tools of the same tool group, and when one expires, it'll grab the next tool. This is an example of another tool. For the Haas, we call tools a 4-digit number. It's like between I don't know, 1,000 and 3,000, or whatever, 0 and 1,000, or something crazy like that. This is just information about the tool. It's in tool position number 9. When we put a new tool in, the machine always measures the tool to understand the original length. So machine's going to measure tool number 7. This is the original base measurement. Of course, we have a spindle to go remove coolant and material from the spindle, so we don't have a false reading with coolant. And check the laser 3 times or something, like different feeds. Feed is slower and slower. Brad's going to run a program. When we run a program, the CNC controller sees we have a request for a tool type, like 4-digit number, 2,000 something. The tool has to have a previous measurement to compare, and so it can only be plus minus. Remember, for your machine, you had a 0.3, took whatever value, multiplied 0.33 for whatever, but it's the same thing. Is it running? No. Can we hit run? Okay, starting a program. Removing the coolant. So right now it is going to take a measurement, but the measurement has to be plus minus something from the original measurement, or program stops. And we can use the same thing for tool breakage at the end. Plus minus, same thing. It needs to be the same when we finish a milling operation and change tools to the next tool.